Hi, my name is Jason Tranter and I have the honour of attending this year's LubeMat 2016 conference, and I'll be delivering 5 presentations. So, just a little bit about me. I'm the founder and managing director of Mobius Institute. We have training centres all over the world, and I've been involved with condition monitoring, vibration analysis and reliability improvement for about 30 years. So as I mentioned, we've got training centres all over the world, primarily in vibration analysis, but we also teach condition monitoring and reliability improvement. Okay, so the first presentation, which is a keynote address, is called Going Beyond Condition Monitoring to Improve Reliability. Now the basic idea is we're going to talk about condition monitoring and all its benefits, but why, in order to truly gain the most benefit from the program, you need to go beyond just monitoring the condition and improve reliability. So, one of the little simulators we'll use in this presentation is just to explain the idea of the PF interval and the idea of how we detect problems and when we should act. So we have a machine that's traveling along okay, there's some sort of defect initiated, but the condition will then degrade. And we wanted to monitor the machine in order to detect that the condition is worsening so that we can do something about it. Now the problem is that a lot of programs only go that far. We need to go much further. So yep, this is all good. We want to detect the fault as early as we can so that we can minimize the risk and plan for the corrective action that may be required. That's all great, but we do need to go further. We need to say, okay, this is important, this is vitally important, but what if we looked earlier in time and said, well, what were all the root causes of the failures that we're detecting? Things like misalignment, unbalance, looseness, resonance, contamination problems, the way we operate the machines and so on. And what if we went back further in time and looked at what happened the last time the equipment failed, and the work we did, the way we installed the bearings and whatever else, and the planning and scheduling that went into that. And what if we went back further in time and said, well, let's look at the way the strategy works. Let's look at the design and procurement process and the way we store the spares on the shelf and so much more. So that is the basic gist of that presentation.